Y'all better, y'all better, y'all better catch up. Y'all, I am like loving these freaking eyebrows. I never do color eyebrows. But your girl is feeling herself. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am LaShondacapri, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these. Nah, let me stop. I'm going to show you how I did these color eyebrows. So before we go straight into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And guys, let me know down in the comments what you want me to do in future videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. As you guys can see, I already went ahead and did the basics of my makeup. I just did do eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my BH Cosmetics. I'm going to do purple. I'm gonna do purple. So go ahead and brush up my eyebrows. Like that. And I'm gonna choose the darkest purple. And you're just gonna take that and fill in your eyebrows like you do any other time. Now I'm gonna take my lip pencil. This is a lip pencil, eyeshadow pencil, eye pencil that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna take that and also use it to fill in. Now I'm going in again with my BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take a blue and fill that in. Okay, I'm going to move on to the other side. Because when you're doing the strokes, just take your time and go slow. Okay guys, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal them. I'm going to do like a simple little quick little beat real quick, and I'll be okay guys, this is the finished look. I love it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you do some color eyebrows. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Share this video again. Leave some comments down below on videos you want to see in the future. And like I say in any other video, guys, I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Peace out.